Hey crafties, this is Kimberly with Sky Creations. So I wanted to show you a great crafting tip. So as a cake topper maker, you want to make sure that you offer your clients the option of having a removable stick. And this allows the clients to keep them as memories and keepsakes for after the party. So as you see here, I'm going to be taking a scrap piece of paper and cutting it to 2.5 inch by 3.5 inch tall, and you're going to need two pieces for this particular cake topper because it is wide and it is pretty heavy, so I want to have two cake sticks on there. So I'm actually using these paper straws that you can find in the dollar store or Walmart and different places. So I'm getting that and I'm rolling the cardstock around the straw. So as you see here, it's going to be 3 inches going up and down, and 2.5 inches is what you're rolling. So you want to gently roll the cardstock with the straw, making sure that when you are doing that, you make it as tight as possible, and then place glue on the cardstock to start closing that circle. Just make sure you don't put glue on the cardstock with the straw. You want to make sure the glue is directly on just the cardstock. So as you see here, I'm going to do it one more time. We're going to be placing the glue right down the middle here, rolling it, making sure that you keep it nice and tight, and then closing up that rectangular piece. In order for you to make sure the straw doesn't go all the way to the top, we place some glue here at the very edge. Pinch it down and make sure it seals it, and that is your removable cake stick holder. So as you see here, this is actually my daughter's cake topper from before. It already has everything's assembled, and here I'm just going to be placing this for demonstration purposes. When you actually place this, you want to do this during the assembly process of your cake topper, or you can go afterwards just like I am here. So I'm gluing down the rolled cardstock that we had placed, and so you see they're in place. I can remove the straw, I can keep the cake topper, but hopefully this is helpful to you. Make sure you like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 cardstock shop for more great paper craft tutorials.